Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain trigonometric ratios. We'll dive into the fundamental concepts of sine, cosine, and tangent, showing how they relate to the sides of a right-angled triangle. Understanding these ratios is crucial for solving many geometry and physics problems. We'll also introduce the helpful SOH, CAH, TOA mnemonic to make learning easier. Get ready to unlock a powerful tool in mathematics. Let's break down SOH, CAH, TOA. SOH tells us that the sine of an angle is the length of the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. CAH explains that the cosine is the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. Finally, TOA clarifies that the tangent is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. This simple phrase is your key to remembering these essential formulas. Applying these ratios is straightforward once you identify the sides of your right triangle relative to the angle you're working with. First, pinpoint the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. Then, choose the SOH, CA, or TOA ratio that includes the known and unknown values. This method allows you to solve for missing side lengths or angles in various practical situations. To truly master trigonometric ratios, consistent practice is absolutely essential. Work through a variety of problems to reinforce your understanding and build confidence. Flashcards can be incredibly helpful for memorizing the SOH, CAH, TOA mnemonic and the definitions quickly. For more helpful resources and other great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the links in the description below. Keep practicing, and you'll be a trigonometry pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.